Today, I have a great prospect for a first-time home buyer or someone needing to add to their investment portfolio. And guess what? It's on Prospect. Take a look.
This updated, cozy residence, nestled on a corner lot, is the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Step inside a comfortable living area with built-ins, beautiful hardwood floors, and the dining area has a huge storage closet. The kitchen is efficient for your favorite meals. With newer windows throughout, natural light floods every room. Step outside to discover a charming backyard featuring a beautiful pergola, ideal for outdoor entertaining or relaxing with a book. The spacious yard offers plenty of room for gardening or play. It even has a workshop and a storage building.
Charm, character, corner lot, lots of possibilities. And remember, I'm on Prospect. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.